Hey everyone, I'm here to do another flip through on my channel. This is another one I had pre-ordered. There's quite a few pre-orders rolling out at the end of this year, but from one of my favorite artists, Teresa Goodridge. It is Afternoon Tea, and it is published by Creative Haven. So, she makes the cutest teacup, so I was so happy that she decided to make a whole book. She does have a couple on her Etsy that are like little printables, but it was nice to have a whole book finally. Ooh, and then we dive right in. I love her work. So talented, and it's single printed. It has the perforated edges. It is that crummier Create Space paper that we've started to get used to. And unfortunately this paper is here to stay with all Creative Haven publications. Would that be fun? Happiness is a cup of tea. Oh, this would be a good Christmas one, almost, just because the little cookies and whatnot. I know a lot of December I will be focusing on her Gnomes one, her Gnomes Christmas one, but I may squeeze some pages in here, although most of these, honestly, are more spring and summer to me. Oh, like, let's party. Oh, I'm a sucker for puns. That's cute. And type that. She has another page that's similar drawing. I get deja vu sometimes with her artwork. You're like, I've seen that before. Oh, I like this one for some reason. Sometimes there's pages that just speak to me, but I can't tell you why. This is cute. Really, she has never released a book that I dislike, and honestly, I like how her style has evolved. She's added a lot more details to her line art compared to what she did in the past. The only book I will admit I didn't pre-order was her Cats one, because I knew I wouldn't color in it. But anything else she makes is usually just auto-buy. Oh, and this was worth every penny. Ooh, look at that. I like that one. Yeah, we have a ton in here. A ton of good pages. Got a lot of cats already in this one. I'm not a cat person, I'm sorry. That's cute. Yeah, her style has evolved just to give you a little bit more detail to color in, whereas back in the day it was a lot more loose. Oh, that's cute. But I'm just loving her books. The Gnomes one are so cute, so I definitely recommend getting your hands on those. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Happiness is a cup of tea. For me, it's coffee, but I do like my tea. So yeah, that is Afternoon Tea by Teresa Goodridge. I hope you enjoyed this super short flip through. Let me know if you pre-ordered this and if you got it and if you were excited like me. I always love getting Teresa Goodridge Happy Mail. So, and I'm trying to think. I don't know if she has anything else coming out of the pipeline. I'm sure she will, though. She seems to be averaging a couple books a year, to be honest. So let me know if you got it, what you think of this one, and yeah, until next time, take care. Bye now.